Hello everybody, assalamu alaikum. Let's make some twisted breadsticks, homemade twisted breadsticks that are crunchy from the outside and soft from the inside. Very buttery, very yummy. बहुत मज़े की breadsticks बनाने वाले हैं, साथ रहिएगा. If you want the recipe for the dough, how to make the dough, you can find the measurements in the description box. This is how I'm going to cut the dough, this size, and stretch it. Then I'm going to shape it as twisted breadsticks. See, just like that. I stretched it. I can stretch it even more a little bit, just like, just like that. And we will shape them. So stay with me. This tray is ready. This is going to rest for 20 minutes. 20 minutes में इसको rest देंगे और उसके बाद हम इसको air fry करेंगे, ठीक? So after 20 minutes, I'm going to put this tray in the air fryer, and I'm going to air fry it at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use the baking option, you can use the air fryer. I'm using the air fryer. So first things first, हम इसको काटेंगे यहाँ से. इस तरह डो को हमने एक जैसा काट लेना है. कोशिश करनी है कि एक जैसा कटे सारी bread sticks. So once we have the almost equally cut sticks, I'm going to stretch them like that. You can easily stretch them, and it's up to you. You want your breadsticks very thin, or you want them a little bit chubby. Let's put it that way. So let's stretch all of those and just twist it around. If you don't know how, you can just put it down there, hold on one side, and with one hand you can twist them like that, just like that. There are so many ways. You can hold it with your thumb and finger, and then you can just wrap them around each other. इस तरह भी बना सकते हैं आप, बस उसको आपने wrap करना है, twist करना है. There you go. Simple as that. So इसको भी आप stretch करें. आप देखें, it's very flexible, so you have to stretch them. This tray was resting for 20 minutes. It's now ready for the air fryer. Air fryer के लिए ready हो गई है. Like I said, air fryer की setting पे 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 17 minutes. 20, it's going to get too dark if I give it a whole 20 minutes. So you can give it between 17 to 20 minutes. It's up to you. If you want them really crunchy or you want them a little softer, it's up to you. So butter को melt कर लिया है, और ये bagel topping है. Everything bagel topping. It came just like that. इसी तरह आई थी ये. इसमें garlic है, salt है, onion है, sesame seeds हैं, all the everything, poppy seeds हैं. So after 17 minutes, my breadsticks are ready. I'm just going to butter them real fast while they are still warm. जब गर्म हो तो आप जल्दी जल्दी इनको बटर कर लें, ब्रश कर लें अच्छे से बटर को ऊपर. उसमें से कलर आ जाता है. You see how beautiful they look while they are still warm. Polish them with butter and then sprinkle the topping on it, or you can add the topping to the butter and just brush it on. It's up to you. And you can also use cheese. You can use Parmigiano. You can use whatever cheese you like, grated cheese. Look at that. That is so good. बहुत ही मज़े की खुशबू आ रही है, और बाहर से crunchy हैं, अंदर से soft हैं. Or when I open the twist, I like to twist them, because then it's just so good, such a good feeling when you open them up like that. You can have them with marinara sauce. You can have them with another dipping that you like. So I hope you will make it. बनाएं, खाएं और मुझे ज़रूर बताएं. I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I would love to hear from you. Thank you everybody for staying with me, for watching this recipe. I'll see you guys later with another recipe. Bye, and thank you. Take care.